What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about an AI tool that I've been using every single day. And it's something that was recommended to me by a very good friend of mine a little while ago, and I gave it a try, and it has changed the way I use my phone by a lot. Okay, and I'm going to show you. This is called Perplexity AI. It's something that's available on iPhone and Android, as well as on the web, but the web version doesn't really do what I use it for. On the surface, Perplexity AI is kind of like a chatbot that can give you answers to your questions, can give you ideas, and it works really well for that. It has a feature that I like that allows you to group your queries into separate collections. Like, let's say you're planning a trip to New York. Today you're gonna ask about weather. Tomorrow you're gonna ask about hotels. Then the next day you're gonna ask about things to do. You can group all that in a collection, and you can refer to the collection later. And that's great and all, but that's not what I use it for. I'm gonna show you exactly what I think is game changing personally. I like to on my phone. Let me show you. On my phone, I like to use the left side of the screen. That's an Android thing. You get a feed that shows you the things that you may be interested in. And a lot of those articles, unfortunately, are a little clickbaity. You know, they don't tell you the whole title, and you have to click to get your answer. You have to sift through a whole bunch of ads. And it's not a great experience. But this AI tool, Perplexity, has changed that for me, has improved it a lot. Let me give you an example. Let's see. Let's find something. There you go. Android 16 eligible devices release dates and new features. You would have to click on that to get the answer to your question. When is Android 16 available? So let's click on it. Let's do it the normal way. And let's see. I don't have the answer here. I have to sort through the article. I have to go through a whole bunch of ads, and then I might not see my answer here. I see something about February 2025, but I might skip by it because you get distracted by all the ads. But Perplexity is going to change that. You click on the share button. Instead of clicking on the article, you click on the share button, and you share it to Perplexity. If it's your first time doing this, you have to scroll and find Perplexity, but after a couple times it's going to show right at the top of your sharing options, and you get your answer right here immediately on the front, in the first paragraph. Perplexity looked at the link that you sent it, and it summarizes everything that's in that link. I find that fantastic, honestly. It tells me Android 16 is expected to be previewed February 2025. Beta builds likely available by May, stable release Q4. That's all I need to know. What devices will get it? It tells you right here. And if there's something that is not in there, and that might not even be in the article, you can ask a follow-up question. Look at that. Let me ask something I know the answer to. Like, will the Nexus 5 get it? I know it's not gonna get it. And there's my answer. The Nexus 5 will not receive Android 16 because it ended support on Android 6. That's all I need to know. Let's ask about my Pixel 8 Pro. Will my Pixel 8 Pro get it? And it's gonna say yes, because I have 7 years of support. There you go. Everything you need to know. You just share it instead of clicking the article. I think it's fantastic. It works for everything that you need to share. Everything that has a share option, you can use Perplexity on that. It doesn't work on a couple things. Like right now, videos doesn't necessarily work with the videos unless there's a good description. Doesn't work on things that are behind a paywall. It doesn't work on like Facebook posts, because it's like Perplexity is not necessarily friend with your friend. You know what I mean? But any article, anything clickbaity, press share, send it to Perplexity. I hope you try it. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm not affiliated with Perplexity at all. It's just a tool I like. I wanted to share it with you. I hope you try it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.